Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So I have gotten a lot of different questions about this with like how do you adjust your headlight beam up and down and stuff like that. Like I made a video of me installing these headlights and I didn't show me adjusting them, but they were just pointed at the wall and I just talked about how they were good and bright and stuff. But somebody commented, oh well, hey, you're lucky, mine were pointed directly at the ground when they came, or they were pointed up to the sky and I blind everybody with them. And it's like, you can adjust them, and I don't think people know that. At least that's the way it makes it seem like. You can adjust the headlights, whether it be aftermarket or the stock headlights. You can adjust like where they point. So normally, like these headlights, if they're pointing, let's say they're pointing right here, just to show, like let's say the truck's over there, but the beam's right here. You can turn the knob and you can adjust them to point down here, point up here. You can adjust them, the height up and down. Same thing with the fog lights. With the headlight, right here. See that? I'm not going to adjust it because I have them adjusted right where I want them to go, so I'm not going to mess with it. But you take a Phillips head screwdriver in there and you twist it and it'll catch on it, and what it's going to do is it's going to adjust that beam up or down. Basically just point your truck or car, whatever it is, at a wall, stick a screwdriver in there, twist it, and you'll see the beam go up and down. So it's literally right there. Same thing with the stock headlights, which I have sitting over there. Same thing with the headlights on that truck. Same thing with the ones on the car back over there. It's all the same. You stick a screwdriver in there and you twist it, and that beam is going to go up and down. So the thing is, when let's say you're going on this door right here, so there's a door that goes down right here. If you're 5 foot away like this truck is, then if you just keep twisting it, it might look like it's the exact same. But at night, when you're 100 yards away from a wall, you're definitely going to be able to tell a difference of the adjustment on them. But when you're right up next to it, you know what I mean? Like you're right up next to it and it's right here. But way out there, it might kind of keep going up and you just can't tell because you're right up next to it. So make sure you're at a good distance away from something, maybe 50 yards or so, from here to the back of the wall. That's what I did. I pointed it literally at a wall 50 yards away, and that's how I adjusted it up and down. And then it's literally going to be the same exact thing with your fog lights. It's kind of hard to tell, but I do have them pointed up pretty high because you can see the gap right here. It's a lot bigger than the gap up top. And I doubt, you're not going to be able to tell because this wheel well liner is put in there. But go check out my fog light video of installing these fog lights, and you can literally see that there's a spring and a screw. I can show you guys with the old ones. So there's the stock headlights, but it'd be on the top side, but I don't want to pull them out because they're kind of heavy. But fog lights, it's this right here. There's a screw with a spring. At least with this truck, it sits in like this. And the more you tighten it, the higher up they point. It goes like this, and it makes that spring tighter, and they're gonna point up higher. That's what I have with those fog lights. I have them pointed up higher because the truck just sits low and I want to actually use them and be able to see. So I have them pointed up a little higher. But you can adjust them up and down just by tightening and loosening the screw for the spring in those fog lights. Same thing with the headlights. Right here, stick a screwdriver in, adjust them up and down, and it's going to be the same exact thing with any vehicle, with any kind of fog lights, headlights, whatever it is you have. That is what you're going to do to adjust those. So I hope that was helpful. If you still have a question or anything about it, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think or want to ask or anything about that. But as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.